Hey everybody, so I want to make a quick video about making a trend line with Excel. In this video, you can use any software that you prefer. The school has a Microsoft Office license, so if you want to download Excel for free, you can download it for free through the school. So let me share my screen with Excel. All right, so there we go. So I want to make some sample data here. This first column will be time. We'll say that it has units second, so don't forget the units. Then we'll plot position. That'll be in units meter. So let's give it some times, just second increments of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. And then let's do an example with a constant velocity. So it is constantly, we'll say we'll start at 1 meter, and then at 2 meters per second, after 1 second, it would be at 3, then at 5, 7, 9, and 11. There we go. So we increase 2 meters per second every second. So, or we increase 2 meters every second, which is a velocity of 2 meters per second. It's constant. So we should end up with a nice flat linear line. I want to make some of these numbers off a little bit. Let's make like 1.2 and 3.1. So we don't have a perfect straight line. 5.1. We can say this is 6.7. 9.2, and we'll leave the 11 line. So the easiest way to do this is make sure the x-axis you want is in the left column. Then whenever you want plot on the y-axis is in the right column, then highlight both columns, go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and then you can see there's a couple options. There's even more options, but the best one is a scatter plot. So you could even click the little dots here, or the dot, there's the dots, X, Y, and actually get just dots. If you have to know what a scatter plot is to know to come find this one though. So if you just click the recommended charts, the one that looks most like a line for this application would be the scatter with the line connected. So you can just click this one. Get this close to the data. There we go. Or make it a little bigger. All right, now to get a trend line, the easiest thing to do is right-click the data on the chart, and you'll see it says Add Trend Line. So click that. Now you can see a dashed line that is a linear fit of the 6 data points we've got. So that's why I made this data off a little bit so these lines aren't just perfectly on top of each other. Now this still doesn't tell us what our actual numerical slope is. So after you have clicked Add Trend Line, you got to come over here to this little toolbar and click Display Equation on Chart. So that'll let that pop up, and then you can see our slope is about 2 meters per second. So we made our little sample problem for a constant velocity. And this is a plot of time and position. So position versus time. So to actually add axis titles, you can come to Add Chart Element on the top left up here, and that's under the Chart Design tab. So Chart Design tab, Chart Element, axis title, horizontal, axis title, vertical, and then you can label them. So time, position. So now the slope of this position versus time plot is roughly 2. So that's a quick little video on making a trend line. You may not have the exact same version of Excel as I have. You probably don't, because I don't even know the last time I updated mine. I try to update it frequently, but I don't auto update it. So if you have a different version and you still can't find the trend line, just please let me know.